Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's recipe, I'll be cooking Guyanese shine rice. Yes, Guyanese shine rice. It's like Cookup, but the only difference is you're not putting peas inside of it. You're not putting any peas in it. So in Guyana, we call it shine rice, okay? Normally, people cook the shine rice with dry shrimps or so, but ew, I do not eat shrimps. I'm allergic to shrimps actually. If I only eat shrimp, my whole skin is going to turn up and my lips are going to swell double the size. So no shrimps to me today. So I will be making my shine rice with chicken foot. When I was small, my mom always used to put chicken foot in the shine rice, so I'm going to do that today. So I'll show you guys step by step how to make this delicious shine rice. Trust me, you guys would love it. You guys are gonna enjoy it. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy watching this video. Give my video thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. And also guys, please watch my ads, okay? Please watch my ads in the video. And if anyone would like to donate to my channel, I would really appreciate it. I will leave that link in the description box down below. And also all my measurements and ingredients will also be in the description box down below. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my delicious Guyanese shine rice with chicken foot. So enjoy! Okay guys, so these are my ingredients for my Guyanese shine rice. First we have some coconut milk. We have some brown rice, I already washed it. We have some chicken foot, fine leaf thyme, shallots, celery, onion, garlic, ginger, Wiri pepper, and 3 cubes. Here we have our Cookup seasoning, mustard hot sauce, green seasoning. If you want to see how to make this green seasoning, I will leave that link in the description box down below. Over here we have some garlic powder, ginger powder, chili pepper, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, and some black pepper. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is season up my chicken foot. So I'm going to put in a little bit of green seasoning and some chicken seasoning. That's all I'm going to put. Because my green season have shallots, celery, fine leaf thyme, broad leaf thyme, markman poke, and parsley. Everything my green seasoning have. Alright, so I'm just gonna mix this up, let this marinate for about 20 minutes, and then I'll show you guys the next step. So we'll be back. So in a pot now, you're gonna fry up your chicken foot. Fry it up for about 5 minutes or so. I'm just going to mix it up. I'm going to fry it up for about 5 minutes or so. I'm just going to cook it halfway. You're not going to fully cook it, alright? Keep turning it constantly to get it brown on all the sides of the chicken foot. Okay guys, so we'll be back. So my chicken foot is still frying up. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start frying up our veggies now. So in this pot here, I just pour some oil. So I'm gonna put in my grated garlic, Wiri pepper, ginger, onion, shallots, and I have some thyme here and some celery. I'm going to pour it in. And stir it around, mix it up. I'm leaving on the stem to cook with the stem so the shine rice can get more flavor. Alright guys, but if you want you can take off the stems, but I'm going to leave it on. give my shine rice more flavor. So I'm gonna fry this up for about 2 to 3 minutes. So my veggies has been frying up for about 3 minutes. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour in some fresh green seasoning. This green seasoning have everything. It has barley thyme, fine leaf thyme, onion, garlic, ginger, Wiri pepper, madman pork, everything it has. I'm going to mix it up into my veggies. Just like this. So now I'm going to put in my brown rice. Remember, I already washed my rice. My rice is already washed and clean. So you guys make sure you wash your rice, okay? So you're gonna mix your rice now up in the veggies just like this. And you're gonna fry up your rice for about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright? So you're just gonna keep stirring it to make sure all the veggies and the seasoning mix into your rice. Okay guys, just keep stirring it and let it fry up. So my rice has been frying up for about 4 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is pour in my coconut milk. Also I'm going to pour in about a cup of water as well. And you're going to stir it up just like this. And my chicken foot finished frying up. So what I'm going to do is pour in my chicken foot as well into the pot. Remember guys, you can use shrimp, but I can't use shrimp because I'm allergic to shrimp. So you could put whatever meat you want put in your shine rice, or you could even don't put any meat in your shine rice. But today I'm gonna put chicken foot in my shine rice because that's how my mom used to cook it when we were younger. So you could do whatever you want, okay? So you're gonna stir up the chicken foot into the pot. So now you're gonna flavor your pot. So I'm gonna put in my 3 cubes. This is chicken cubes I'm using here. And here I have my ginger powder, garlic powder, paprika, chili powder, Cookup seasoning, everything I have in there. And here we have our mustard hot sauce. So you're gonna stir everything together, mix up all these delicious flavor into your shine rice, and you're gonna let this boil for maybe about 20 minutes, but you have to keep stirring it constantly, right? Okay guys, so it has been 25 minutes and my rice has been steaming. So what I'm gonna do now is pour in like about a teaspoon of sugar, and I'm gonna mix it up. I have to video myself this bright because my son gone. He's doing his Zoom class online, so I'm stirring with one hand and I'm videoing with the other hand, so forgive me guys. Alright, so I'm gonna stir my pot now and we'll be back. I'm also gonna be frying some white plantain, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so my shine rice is all done here, so I'm gonna show you guys the end results when I finish frying my white plantain. Okay, we'll be back. So when the Cookup finish guys, you're gonna take out all the fine leaf thyme stem out of them. Alright, and when you finish taking out the stem, now I'm gonna show you guys I'm dishing out my Cookup rice here, my shine rice. So video when I'm tasting it to let you guys see. We'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna taste my Guyanese shine rice with chicken foot on camera and let you guys see. So this is the shine rice here, and I have some ripe plantain, and this is my sweet plantain, ripe plantain, sweet potato, and egg salad that I did Mother's Day. So I'm going to break a piece of my plantain here. I'm gonna get some of my Guyanese shine rice and piece of my potato salad here, and I'm gonna taste it for you guys. So here goes. Shine rice is really good, guys. Trust me, guys. You need to try this recipe. You would love it. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up. Yes, thumbs up the video. And also please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton as well, alright? And also guys, please watch my ads in my video. I will have my ads at the beginning of the video and the ending of the video. So please watch the ads. Alright, so try my Guyanese shine rice. You're gonna love it. Alright, so share my video as well. Take care and have a blessed day. Bye.